And Shubhanshu Shukla has reached Lucknow, his hometown. So Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is finally in Lucknow. He has landed. These are the live visuals from the airport where he has landed. Remember, Lucknow is his hometown. The city is all decked up to welcome its son with open arms. And Shubhanshu Shukla is finally in his hometown. So these are the visuals of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla after arriving in Lucknow. And this is his hometown. A lot of preparations have been made in the city. In fact, the road leading to his home is also being reconstructed. The work is in full swing outside his residence, and he has finally landed in Lucknow and will now be heading towards his home. So these are the visuals from Lucknow where Shubhanshu Shukla has landed, and Lucknow is rolling out the red carpet for the star astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, the group captain, who has now finally landed in Lucknow, his hometown, and it's a grand welcome for him at the airport. These are the visuals from Lucknow airport where Shubhanshu Shukla has landed. And a lot of preparations have been done across the city. In fact, the road leading to Shubhanshu's residence at Triveni Nagar locality was also paved with cement overnight, and hoardings were put across the city at several crossings in the town welcoming Shukla. So Shubhanshu Shukla is now in Lucknow, his hometown. He has landed at the airport. These are the live visuals. And my colleague Samarth is now joining us with more details on this. Samarth, Shubhanshu Shukla is finally in Lucknow. What next?
Well, exactly. I must tell you that he has met Brijesh Pathak, the Deputy CM of Uttar Pradesh, at the airport, and also met family. So it's a long time because he hasn't seen his mother. Because when the father and sisters reached Delhi, mother was unwell. So it was quite an emotional moment for Shubhanshu Shukla for meeting his mother after a long time, because he hasn't met her since he was in America. So it was a big thing here. So the current update from Lucknow here is that Shubhanshu Shukla has reached at the Lucknow airport, and now he'll be heading towards the G20 Chauraha, from where that particular roadshow will start, and later he'll move to the CMS auditorium where a short and brief press conference will happen. And thereafter, you will see that another thing happening. He will be meeting UP CM Yogi Adityanath at the CM Awas, and then it will be an official program of the UP government where CM Yogi will be there along with the India's star astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla, and he will also address the media there also along with CM Yogi Adityanath. So it's quite an exciting movement for Lucknowites, as they have been there, as you see in the visuals, a lot of national flags waving all around the airport, the flower, the petals, everything, the bands welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla, even the kids in the attire of astronauts are welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla, as Shubhanshu has become an inspiration for millions and billions. Back to you.
Right. Samarth, so will Shubhanshu Shukla not visit his residence in Lucknow?
No, he hasn't been allowed to visit the residence due to security reasons. He will be staying in Lucknow for 1 or 2 days, but at the government guest house. So that has been the confirmation being given by the family, that yes, family can meet Shubhanshu Shukla, mother, father and sister, the close relatives can meet Shubhanshu Shukla, but not at the residence from where we were reporting since months. He is allowed at the guest house, the state guest house, where the family will be allowed even to stay with him. That's what we are getting from the sources. But no, he will not be allowed to visit the home because it's more about the security. He has got the Z+ security, as we are getting from the sources. So it's going to be very tough for them as well if he stays at his residence. So he will not be allowed to stay at his residence, but will be there at the place, at the guest house, where the family will be meeting him again and again.
Right, and also give us more details about the victory parade you were talking about. From where will it start and till where will it go?
Well, exactly. What we are getting, that a school is organizing this victory parade where Shubhanshu Shukla studied since till class 12, and more than 60,000 students will be gathering at that G20 Chauraha, from where the roadshow, what we say, a victory parade will be started. Shubhanshu will be there in an open jeep, welcoming and also thanking the people of Lucknow and also the students who, in a way, cheered for Shubhanshu Shukla when he was going to the space, taking the national flag. So that's a bigger thing for them as well, because for children, for students, he has become an inspiration out here. So that's a bigger deal for them, and that's why they are gathering in large numbers to welcome. So we can expect in the next 15 to 20 minutes, the victory parade will be starting from G20 Chauraha, and it will be around 2 kilometers range at the Janeshwar Park. The victory parade will stop, and later he will move to the CMS school where he will be welcomed.
All right, Samarth, do stay with us. So these are the visuals coming in from the Lucknow airport, where Shubhanshu Shukla has landed. He was received by UP Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak. Let's listen in.
कर रहे थे, आज वो क्षण आया। हम सब ने आदरणीय शुभांशु शुक्ला जी का हृदय की गहराई से स्वागत किया है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मार्गदर्शन में जिस ढंग से दुनिया में अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान की चर्चा भारत की हो रही है, वो अद्भुत क्षण है। और शुभांशु जी ने बताया कि अंतरिक्ष से कैसा भारत लगता है, कैसा लखनऊ लगता है। अद्भुत क्षण हम सब के लिए है। मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। बड़ा कार्यक्रम भी अभी आप सब, हाँ, अभी हम सब एक बड़ा कार्यक्रम का आयोजन सरकार कर रही है और हम सब वहाँ भाग लेंगे।
UP Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak on welcoming Shubhanshu Shukla. These are the visuals of Shubhanshu Shukla meeting his family. So Shubhanshu Shukla is finally in his hometown Lucknow and is now meeting his family. These are the exclusive pictures of Shubhanshu Shukla with his family in Lucknow. So he has landed in Lucknow. In fact, he has also met his family. He was received by Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak, who we just now heard calling it a historic moment for Lucknow. In fact, for the entire nation. Shubhanshu Shukla has made the entire nation proud, and he is in Lucknow for 2 days now. He will also be meeting UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. But in the next 15 minutes, his victory parade will be starting. Samarth continues to stay with us with more on this. Samarth, what are the kind of security arrangements that have been made in the city?
See, we were at the airport and a lot of security personnel were there who were also obstructing the entry of the normal people, because yes, we saw many people with a national flag, but they belong to the ruling party. So and the security personnel and just the media were allowed. But when he'll be reaching the G20 road from where the victory parade will be starting, I don't think that there would be much resistance from the police to the public, because the road show is all about public, and Shubhanshu will be there just to thank the entire public for their entire support throughout the journey when he reached the space. So yes, security is very tight because Shubhanshu is now a national pride. He is just not a normal Air Force captain or a Lucknowite. So he is a national pride now. And also what we are getting, that he has got the Z+ security as well. So these are the things. But yes, for family, for mother, he is just his son. For father, he is just his son. So that's an emotional moment when we saw what we were seeing. In the picture, the mother is looking at the Shubhanshu. You can clearly get the glimpse of the exclusive picture which India Today TV has currently accessed. The mother looking at Shubhanshu, his son, after a long time, because she did not go to Delhi due to the her medical conditions. So it's quite an emotional movement. But if you talk about the victory parade, we were also heading towards that particular place, and we'll be showing you the visuals from there, where more than 60,000 students will be there to welcome Shubhanshu Shukla in the victory parade.
Right. Samarth, also, when can we expect the meeting with UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath?
Well, exactly. After the program at the school and also after a brief press conference, he'll be meeting CM Yogi Adityanath at his residence 5 Kalidas Marg around 3 or 3:30 p.m. After spending an hour maybe with CM Yogi, he'll be reaching the Lok Bhavan for an official program of UP government, where also UP CM Yogi Adityanath will be there along with Shubhanshu. You can expect CM Yogi Adityanath sitting next to Shubhanshu Shukla and also addressing the gathering, talking about Shubhanshu Shukla and his struggles throughout from day 1 to day 2, like how he cleared the NDA. Interestingly, how he went to the exam of NDA when her older sister was getting married. So without telling the family, he went to give the exam of NDA. So these were the struggles made by Shubhanshu Shukla throughout. And CM Yogi Adityanath, you can expect him giving an example of Shubhanshu Shukla to reach the greater heights, as PM Modi has already said, that this is not the end. for India. This is just the start of the Gaganyaan mission. Back to you.
Absolutely, Samarth. Thank you for those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this.